Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I just got the Pit Boss 2-burner cast iron tabletop griddle. We're going to go ahead and open this thing up, do a little review on it, see how it looks. I've been using a Coleman stove, and I think we're going to go ahead and get rid of the Coleman stove. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to go ahead and unbox, put this thing together, and do just kind of a preliminary review of it. No damage on the box. Heavy sticker. I don't know, it's probably, 15 pounds maybe. It's really not that heavy. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we got. Packaged well. A lot of plastic bubble wrap in there, and it's actually the grill from Pit Boss is inside another box. There we go. This is a little bit more manageable. Let's see what's on the inside of this thing. The reason I got this grill, like I said, was we've been using a Coleman 3-burner grill. And that 3-burner grill, you really can't put a large cast iron skillet in it to do any cooking in a cast iron skillet, because the burners, the way they're offset for 3 of them, you can't get that big cast iron skillet off to the side or the back. It's always off center of a burner. So my buddy up on our last camping trip had one of these, and he uses it all the time. He actually uses it at home too. So yeah, look at this thing. Packaged nice. Comes with a cover. Nice cover. Styrofoam on the sides. The actual cooktop disconnects. This thing actually looks really heavy duty. That's a thick piece of cast iron there. I'll have to season this thing before I use it. Instruction warranty manual. All right. Oh yeah, we'll read that later. Let's see what we got here. Here's the components. We got the gas regulator here in the box. Nice little regulator. It's for hooking up to a 1-pound propane bottle. Or if you have the adapter, you can hook it up to a regular propane tank. Four legs, adjustable. That's one thing that I liked about this when my buddy was using it, was that you have the adjustable legs, so when you're out camping and you have this thing set up on a uneven surface, you can level it out with the legs. Got here, what's this? It's like a little drip pan. Looks like I might need to screw this onto the side. Seems pretty decent. Maybe a little bit thinner than a regular outdoor barbecue grill. go ahead and put the legs on. This thing looks pretty simple. I don't even need the instructions. Think about that. 4 adjustable legs. Look at that. Pretty simple. I mean, it attaches almost like you would a like a regular propane Coleman propane grill. Screws on there. Propane bottle sits here. And you can adjust the legs to get them. Look at that. Level it out right there. Put your griddle top. Right on top. All right, so check this out. All you need to put this together is a Phillips head screwdriver. Everything is pretty much together except the little drip pan. Real simple. You don't even need instructions for this. Take the screws out on the side where the drip hole is and just attach this. That's it. Drip pan sits right in the tray. Thing's finished. Hook up your propane tank, set it on fire. All right, you got everything all put together. Get done cooking, clean it up. You're ready to store it away. Super easy. Pick that up. Disconnect your propane bottle. Disconnect your regulator. Put your regulator right here in the bottom. It snaps right in. Little holder there. Set. Put your lid back on. Go ahead and store it away. Now I'm going to explain why I'm going to this griddle instead of the Coleman stove. So check this out. Here's the griddle. Here's the Coleman stove. Now the Coleman stove is a little bit more compact. It's easier to carry around. But after doing what I've been doing with the Runaway camper, I've decided that the 3-burner Coleman stove, 1, 2, 3, is not the way to go. And here's the reason why. Now you can use a Coleman stove, but if you do use one, use the 2-burner. Here's the reason. Right here, cast iron skillet. You can't center it. You can't center the cast iron skillet on any of the burners. It's right here on this burner. Right, the burner's off to the side. The back, you can't get it back far enough. The burner's back to the back. Same thing on this side. If you had a 2-burner, you could actually do that, right? Well, this eliminates the cast iron skillet, unless you're gonna be frying fish. But, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep the cast iron skillet. We're gonna get rid of the Coleman stove. And we bought one of these propane top burners. So there's my burner. If I need to boil water, it's right there. I'm never gonna use 2 burners. Anything I'm gonna use 2 burners for, I can use this, do everything that I need with this. This breaks down, super compact. Saving all that space there. So I think this is going to be our setup from now on. Future videos, you're going to see us using this thing. So check out the link down below. You can get this Pit Boss 2-burner cast iron griddle. Also, the little 1-burner bottle top propane burner thing. There'll be a link down below for that too. So from Stonebrook Adventure, till next time.